Welcome to your Solitaire tutorial. The therapeutic goal of this activity is to work on improving the strength and range of motion of your wrist and hand. Improving your strength and range of motion is critical to improving your overall function. During this activity, your wrist movements will move the playing cards to the appropriate spot. You will start by selecting a card you want to move. With your hand that is not in the hand mentor, touch the card you wish to move. It will become highlighted after you touch it. Then select the location to which you would like to move the card. If this is a valid selection, you will be cued to then move your wrist and hand. The device will start by providing a little bit of assistance. This may move your hand up. From this starting point, try to bend your wrist down into flexion to pick up the card at the bottom of the screen. From here, bend your wrist up into extension to bring the card to its new location. This is your goal. If you wish to turn over a new card from the deck, simply touch the card that is face down in the top left. If you have difficulty moving down to pick up the card, the device will begin to help you. Just keep trying as hard as you can to bend your wrist down into flexion to grab the card. Once you've picked up the card, try your hardest to lift up. If you're still having difficulty at this point, don't worry, the device will begin to step in and help. Just continue to try as hard as you can.